Good morning, guys. We're out here in Kudong. Most people call it Dongchong. Okay, so we're about to go and have some fun. Look around. What's out here? Amazing view. We're at the City Gate outlet. This is how it is, man. Let's go. Alright. What? Alright. Oh, yeah.
Speak louder.
Got some pop-up stores. Got 7-Eleven. Got Watson's.
Look into the camera when you're walking.
TV mall. That's some dumbass shit though.
When you speak in front of the camera, you need to amplify your voice 2 times.
Alright.
More energetic.
So this is a Medi-Mart. We have a lot of these in Hong Kong. You can buy all the medicines here. Yep. So let's go to the other mall.
So the video is about why you wake up early in the morning, so you can talk about that.
So I woke up today, learning how to use the camera, man. Learning how to take some videos and stuff. Trying to start up my own channel. And this first video is about taking you guys around Dongchong.
Be louder. Do not fear anyone. No one care about you. Be louder.
Alright, no one gives a fuck, yo.
Yeah, be louder.
So I'm gonna take you guys around today.
Energetic.
Alright, so I'm gonna take you guys around
Just do
today.
it. Yes, that's
So
what I wanna
follow me.
listen.
Follow me around and I'm gonna show you. Alright? You can see that blue taxi right there? Yep, that's a taxi and we can only like take it around islands, right? Only downtown island. So if you get on the airport and you're trying to go in Dongchong, you gotta take the blue taxi. Yeah, let's go. Let's go forward, man. Look at this ugly face. Yeah? Alright, so hey guys, there's a sushi restaurant right there. Sushi restaurant. A lot of ugly people, as you can see, walking beside me. A lot of ugly people. What's up, ugly? Hey. Yeah. They didn't get their house crazy. Ah!
Tell me something good about waking up early in the morning benefit.
Benefits of waking up early in the morning. What are the benefits of waking up early in the morning? You can masturbate early. You can watch some porn while everyone is fucking asleep. So you have that, you know, mentality, you know. You gotta do that shaky dance. Alright, let's go. Number one thing, when you wake up in the morning early, you're the first person out there grinding, waking up, trying to get your shit together, man. No, you gotta be energetic when you wake up early in the morning. You got some plans to do. What are your plans, man? What are your plans? Try to get better every day. Try to beat yourself to another level. Man, this crazy nigga, man. Trying to look at my dick.